Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about SERP. What is SERP? Search Engine Results Page. So, if you are a digital marketing professional or you would like to learn about digital marketing, so this is the first step. So, what is SERP? Search Engine Results Page. Because when you talk about SEO or search engine optimization, ranking of the website and all these things, then most of the things starts from search engine results page. So let us discuss what exactly is SERP. So a SERP is any kind of result that appears on the Google search results page, even though it's a traditional, like organic results or paid results. So there are different kinds of results. So let us discuss this in view of an example. So a CRP involves a lot of things as discussed: a traditional organic result, paid results like ads, Google ads, rich snippets, universal results, knowledge graph, and it goes on. It goes on. The search engine result page, the details goes on. So let us go through an example like to understand what exactly the SERP is all about. So in the Google, I've just typed "learn digital marketing for free" and made a query. So once I googled it, so I got these results. So there are various results, and if you could see, like within few seconds I have received all these results. So this page which talks about all these kind of results, involving everything into one page, is called as search engine results page for Google. So what all involved in a search engine results page? If you could see the starting one, that from Udemy, it's an ad. Then Learn Digital Marketing from, it's an ad. So these two are Google ads. So even Google ads are present in the search engine result page of Google. And if you go down, these are, like there are different kinds of websites are coming under it. So this is one, so this is one, this is another one. So all these are the organic results, the traditional organic results which are coming up while we are searching a term called learn digital marketing for free. And if you could go down, then a new thing like which is included in the search engine results page, like people also ask. So like what kind of questions like people are asking, or the feedback kind of stuff, or what are the things related or relevant to the keyword what we have searched. So this is something included by Google to understand the user behavior, or the guys who are searching something on the Google, they should get more number of relevant results for that. If you go down, even you can find it out the videos. So relevant videos are there, like what kind of videos are there. So all this is thing, and that, and after that you could find like question and answer session on the Google. So these are and in the below, like we have related search. Like once you have that Google keyword, according to that you have related search also. And if you go down and search is related to learn digital marketing free, with that various other long tail keywords also there. So the complete platform where, or the page where you get all these details, including the paid ads, organic results, videos, other links people also ask for, and all these things, is called as search engine results page. So even let's say I've typed SEM rush. So when I've typed SEM rush, so if you go down, you could see like there is a Twitter widget also. It's coming up here like the like search results for the Twitter of SEM rush, and the videos from the SEM rush. At the same time, if you could see on the right hand side, more of what is SEM rush is all about, the details, the profile, and also the other stuff, so which is a knowledge graph or the knowledge base. So where it is showing like what are the things like included with an SEM rush, and like what all the stuffs it will be included. At the same time, if you could see here, the news related to SEMrush, images, books, videos, more, all these things are under one page. So this one page is called as search engine results page. Hope you have understood, like in a simple term, what is search engine results page. So let's say I'll give you another example. If I type pi m square academy, so this is what we're getting. This is the YouTube channel of pi m square, the videos related to pi m square. This is the pi m square website, where different lessons are uploaded. And going further, like if I go with some other channels also, like we could find it out. Let's say any other stuff, HubSpot. If I checked for HubSpot, like we are getting a knowledge things also, and the videos related to HubSpot, people also ask for that. So being like a prominent academy as well as a top CRM in the field of sales and marketing, HubSpot comes into the picture with a lot of stuff in the online market. So this is search engine results page. Hope you people have understood like what exactly SERP and why SERP is useful for SEO. So let us discuss about few other summary, like how SERP is used. So we have understood like what exactly SERP and the search engine results page and how it is useful for Google's SEO terms, because it involves like paid results, rich snippets, universal results, knowledge graph, and like we have seen the images part, and people also ask for. So all these things comes into the picture of a search engine results page. So these are a part of SEO. We'll be discussing it slowly, like what exactly the different types of SEO and how it is useful in search engine results page. So we'll be discussing it slowly in the next videos to coming up. But for this video, I hope you people have understood like what is SERP and what all involved in search and results page. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel Pi M Square Academy to stay updated with more number of like marketing videos, sales videos, understand the concepts, and the ongoing trend videos with lot of concepts on digital marketing too. Thanks a lot.